Hello, my name is Jasmine. I've had keratoconus. Well, I was diagnosed with it about 3 years ago. Haven't really been able to see, haven't been able to get my driver's license. Now that I have my contacts in, now I can see to be able to get my driver's license. I can stop bugging my parents for the rides, and I can see on my job. I have a new job at the post office, and I have to work behind a register. And at first, I was really squinting, and now I can see.
How do they feel?
They feel really good.
And how did you find our office?
My grandmother.
Okay. And what has your experience been?
It's been really good. A lot of other places, they just want to skip right to surgery instead of giving you alternatives.
Well, we're glad you found us.